Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to remove Gamma AI watermark from presentation. Okay, now here as you can see I have this presentation here. When I click on the share button, then click on export, then export to PowerPoint, I have this option. You will have to pay in order to remove the watermark. We're gonna trick this. We are gonna download the PowerPoint, and after downloading, here we have it. And as you can see, we still have some watermarks on each slide or each two slides here, as you can see here on the bottom. So now in order to remove all of these watermarks, we're going to use Canva, and we're not going to have the paid option of Canva. You can simply do it without paying any money because this is our goal in this video, to save more money. And now let me show you the trick. We're going to open Canva, then click on create or go to presentation. And after that, you'll have to go to uploads, upload files, then upload the presentation. Once you upload the presentation, click on these three dots, then click on open in a new tab. And now I want to go on each presentation and remove this watermark by clicking on delete image, and do the same for every slide, just like so. Click on the delete button, just click on the watermark, then click on this delete button, and do the same for all of your slides. And if you guys know any trick in order to remove them all at one click or with one click, you can tell me down below in the comments. And let's share knowledge. Okay, now after removing all the watermarks, I can now download the presentation. So I'm going to click on share, then I'm going to click on the download button, and I want to save it as a presentation also, the 10 pages. Then I'm going to click on the download button. Then I'll wait till it finish. And after finishing the download, you have it here on the top right side. It's downloading on my own PC right now. And I just want to show you that I have removed all the watermarks without even paying any money. So I'm going to click on this one. Then I'm going to open the presentation, enable editing. And here you have it. I can slideshow it. And here, as you can see, we do not have the watermark. When comparing it to the other one, okay, here we have the old one. When I do the slideshow, we have the watermark. So here now you do not have the watermark, so you can trick your teachers or your professors and tell them that you have actually made it by your own. But it will actually look as an AI because of these photos. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.